What is up, guys? Brandon here with Wake Productions. Here's a little video I'm putting together. It's kind of scatterbrained in concept. I'm going to be giving a little bit of updates on both of these cars that I've featured here before. I've been getting a good amount of questions on how they're progressing and stuff like that. One of them is going to be more of like a quasi-test unboxing type thing, and the other one is going to be essentially just what I've been given from Travis about his blue car and the progress that's been happening down at PTS Fab. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of video down there myself, but so some of the quality's kind of be here or there because it's going to be like compressed cell phone video and stuff like that, but it'll give you an overall idea. And luckily with Travis's car, I should be down there on Monday, and apparently it's going to be on the dyno, so it'll be amazing to see what that car can do.
Alright, let's do this. You ready?
Ow!
Look at Brandon. You ready?
So, down here with my friend Austin and his kid Wiley, and they're going to tell you a little bit about what's going on here today.
Hey, we have some new brakes here from Wilwood. Have front and rear brakes for our upcoming race car project, Factory 5 Type 65R Daytona Coupe. So Wiley, what do we have from Wilwood? I think that's the front brakes. You want to pull some of those boxes out and let's take a look? Is it heavy? All right, there's our brake pads. What else is in there? Let's see, this says it's a hat. Let's check these out. Now, it says in here that these are brakes for a 94 to 2004 Mustang. Do you see that? Are we doing a 1994 Mustang? No.
What are we doing?
We're doing a Daytona? Daytona. Will these fit though, don't you think? Yes. So we're using that so we can use 5-lug wheels. We want a 5-lug conversion. So these will fit the best. That's a great question. It's another hat. So this will be the center of our brake rotors. And these are 14-inch front disc brakes. So very hefty, big disc brakes. What else do you have, wife? Is that heavy? What is this? This is the caliper. This is what pinches the brakes, isn't it? Yeah, let's take that out so we can see it. There's a 6-piston caliper for a 14-inch rotor. It's a good-looking caliper. Nice-looking piece. All right. Our other caliper. What else do we have? Some bolts. Now, Wiley, these will bolt in here to hold the rotor together. Does that make sense to you? Yeah? How many sets do we have? 2. 2 for how many rotors? 2. What else do you have? That's the back of our brake calipers. Yep, 2 of those.
So this can all come in a kit that you can just straight up order?
Straight up order the whole kit. You can order it for, I'll pull out the heavy one. You pull out the whole kit, you order the whole kit for your Mustang or Camaro or Mopar or whatever. And it comes with everything you need. Calipers, hats, rotors, pads, bolts. So you bolt it together and get it on the car. Very easy. Can you lift up the rotors? I bet not. It's heavy. Let's see if we can get the rotors out of this box easily. Look at that. We can leave the other one in. Let's take a look at a rotor. Stickers! Some wilwood stickers. Let's slice this open so we can take a good look.
They look pretty fancy.
There's a black electro-coated rotor. Let's get this out of the way while. So that's a 14-inch black electro-coated rotor from Wilwood with the 6-piston caliper.
I think it's
that's
massive.
Gonna look pretty awesome, and that is a lot of brake for a 2,700-ish pound car. So that is our front Wilwood brake kit. 2 rotors, 2 hats, 2 calipers, all the hardware. Pretty easy setup, pretty easy to order, easy to put on, and an easy upgrade for your car. Do you like it, Wiley? Do you approve?
Yes.
And are you going to put them on?
Maybe.
Maybe.
We have another one of these in the box.
There you go.
Yes.
All right, that's good for the front. Now we have to clean this up, and then we'll do another one for the rear.
Alright, so here are some of the updates on Travis's cars. He sent me these pictures through Facebook, so here we can see the turbos obviously getting hung up front. Moving on to the next picture, looks like this is some of the wastegate plumbing getting done. You can see him in the center. Looks like this is the downpipe. He's getting ready to go out the fender. Moving on to the next one, looks like you can kind of see how the turbo mounts to the intercooler and the downpipe going out the fender again. View from the front, you can see the turbos coming through the grill there. Obviously he's blocking that grill off, and he's going to create some openings there for the turbos to suck in some cool air, as is shown in this picture. So, for those of you who are audibly inclined and could tell that the car wasn't quite running right, obviously it's not tuned yet. And alongside that, he found that a couple of his injectors were gummed up and I think stuck open due to E85 or ethanol and ID2000. So we had to send those out and get cleaned, and I believe the problem is resolved now.
Tell me when.
That's good. All right, Austin, so tell us a little bit about what we got here.
What we have here is a crate and a box, both of which from Moser Engineering. This is a ready-to-go, bolt-in, built rear end Ford 8.8 for a 79 to 93 Mustang that we are going to use for our Factory 5 Daytona Type 65 race car. And so we're going to unbox this and show you what we have, because between this box of axles and the housing, that's pretty much everything you need to get rolling from Moser.
Pun intended?
Exactly.
Well, that's a little awkward.
We're going to have to use it another way. You can pause it. You can splice it together.
I ain't pausing that.
Find a better way to crack it open, because apparently it's too thin for bolting.
You
try it long ways.
tin snips.
Yeah.
So they used on the crate the other day.
It seemed, yeah, a little overdone there, Austin.
Moser also uses talking crates.
So I've heard these fit in Priuses too.
They do. It does fit in a Prius. It's an upgrade, though. Let's set this in front. Open the crate. Have you noticed the man yet?
Because 2007 called and they want their digital camera back.
Say from 2007.
He has a time machine.
Stewie?
Stewie, you should stay there near the nails.
I was just thinking that as I saw the thing teeter with joy.
Let's keep prying this little bad boy open. Get that side.
Has the water come out yet?
You pumping the well?
That's pretty fancy.
Smaller in person.
No comment.
No, that one's attached more than the left. Right there. Yeah, almost did. You still recording?
Sure.
I don't know if it's recording or not.
You're a horrible director.
It's like a voyeur.
Just keep going. It doesn't matter. What are you gonna do?
All right, so what makes this one special? It's shortened so that it'll fit in our Type 65 car. It's the right vintage because we need the suspension in the correct places for a 3-link, a racing 3-link, and perhaps an upgrade to a 5-link. It has a flange for a 2005 to 14 Mustang on the pinion so that it will match with what we're going to want for a shortened drive shaft. It has a girdle cover, so it puts pressure on the bearing caps right where we want it. This has a 308 set of gears inside with a Ford track lock. It already has welded to it the 3-link brackets for the factory 5 setup. It is powder coated, which is an option from Moser to come that way, and so it comes as you see it. So all we will need to do is install the axles, put our Wilwood brake kit on it, and put it in the car once we have a car.
Very cool.
Sucks that you can't take this out and part put it red.
You can.
But it's already sealed.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, press the thumbs up. If you didn't, press the thumbs down if you want to. Bit of a housekeeping item, so I don't know if you guys have been following YouTube's policies at all, but essentially if you don't have 1,000 subscribers, YouTube's just going to demonetize all your stuff. So if you could subscribe just to get me up to that number, it would be amazing, especially if you're a fan of the channel. If not, I understand. I know people don't like getting spammed with videos and stuff like that. But yeah, thanks again for watching and have a good one.